A lot of my favorite trades come from reversals. This is where you catch a big move from the initial start of the market or of the trend. In this video, I'm going to break out how you are going to be trading reversals from the beginning of the trend up to where it ends, and you can make a lot of profits in this strategy. First of all, we have to understand what is reversals concept or reversals trading, and we have to differentiate it between reversal trading and also continuation trading, because last time I talked about continuation trading, that it's all about taking these entries, these buy entries. If the market is in an uptrend, you keep on taking buy entries on this trend, like more entries. But with reversal trading, you only take a good trade for once and you drive out the whole trend. Like if I'm to take a sell entry from here, of course, I'll just take a sell entry and drive out the whole trend up to where the trend will end. So make sure you stick around, because I'm going to show you different examples from the real market or from the real charts. So this is just an example for the start, and then we're going to talk about more about this, how you enter, how you take entries, how you close the market, and when to take those entries. So before I go too far, let me introduce you my trading channel, the Telegram channel. If you want to join our Telegram channel, you can check the link down in the description or also in the bio, and then you tap on it and then you join, where you'll find daily signals and daily free mappings, and then you can start enjoying with more winners that are just making money there. So let's first look at what we really call the reversal trading. So reversal trading is only taking a trade from this start of the move or the start of the trend up to when the trend is going to end. That's different from continuation trading or continuation trades that we can be taking, like buying on an uptrend or selling on a downtrend on each and every move or retest, so that we can catch many wins before the trend ends. So for this one, you take a good trade from here up and you catch the whole move up to the end of the trend. So there are many ways you can take this entry, because there are many trading entries, either vice versa, like on an uptrend or on a downtrend, and it will depend on how you look at the market. Firstly, you look for the change of character or where the market changes from. Let's take a look at this chart here. This is Euro USD. And then look at this market. The market has been in an uptrend from here. And then the market, when the market reached here, it changed the direction. It changed the character, or it shifted. There was a market shift. And then the good trade that we could be taking from this market, of course, this trade would be taken from this zone. And this could be our sell zone or a short position from this zone, and then risk a little. We put at least here this, and then we take this entry from here down up to where this trend would end from. So I think you can see this would be a longer move. I think you can see how it is. So this is a longer move from here, from this zone up to the other zone down. So if you know continuation trading, you can also be adding more sell positions here, more sell entries, because the market is retesting to the zones. And I told you, you can check my videos about imbalances, and you can check my videos about order blocks, so that you can get to know the real entries that you can be taking in those zones. So we talk about the liquidity and a lot of things that you have to be understanding. So that's why I tell people mostly to join my classes or my mentorship, because me, I don't sell courses. Instead, I mentor or I coach. I teach you how to really trade from the beginning up to when you become a profitable trader. So without wasting more time, I think you can see how this sell entry could be a longer trade from this zone. But the things that we look at is that this market has been in an uptrend, breaking higher highs, leaving zones that are not mitigated, or zones that are not where liquidity was not taken, and all that, and imbalances. So the market will be coming to hunt for that. And I think you can see When the market changed the zone or changed the character or changed the direction, retested into this zone, and we took a sell trade. So this zone would be our move. Now, this was for a selling market or a downtrend. So let's look at when the trend has ended, what happens. So look at this market. When the market reached into this order block, the market tried to move back. Let me close this. The market tried to move back to tap into this order block, and we were thinking that maybe for the sellers who would be entering from here would be pushing the market down to create another lower low, but the market failed to break this low and instead broke this internal high. Now the market is showing you that the market has now failed to break the lower low. It's creating a change of character by breaking a higher high, and I think you can see that the market is now showing you the direction that it is now taking. It's breaking higher highs, creating BOSs, leaving imbalances and order blocks, same as here, breaking higher highs, and then the main entry would be here. Why? Because this has everything that we needed. We need mostly this liquidity and another block that is clear. And someone would be also taking from here an entry, but this one could be a better one, because for this you have already seen that now the market is breaking highs and has broken also this high, and it's showing you that now the market is trying to move higher highs. And I think you can see if someone took a buy trade from here, it could be an impulsive move. And I think you see how the market moved and struck an impulsive move, moved up to here, up. Do you see this? So where did it come to? From where we entered from. Do you remember where we entered from before? This was the zone. This is the possible sell zone. So those are two zones that you could be catching. Even though, because you know now, before you take a trade from this zone, of course, you'll first understand what mainly the market has been onto. The market has always been in an uptrend, moving higher highs, breaking higher highs. So if I'm taking this buy, of course, there are things that I'll be considering. Things that I'll be considering will be liquidity, imbalance, and all that thing. So market moved. We took this sell zone. Market moved up to this zone, down to this order block, and then we took another buy trade from here, and then the market moved high. Why would the market move high? Because the market had tapped into the order block and it was showing really that it has been in an uptrend, mainly in an uptrend. And the market had shown us all the signs that now the market is changing the direction from this zone. And then this was a good buy entry. And then the market moved high up to when the market broke higher high. But before the market broke higher high, it retested. What happened here? The market retested into this zone. Why would the market retest into this zone before breaking that high? Of course, the market had left a lot of liquidity behind, imbalance, and zones that are unmitigated, like this order block. This order block was not mitigated, had been left. So before the market could break this zone, what happened? The market went to the other zone where we had entered our sell entry from, and that means that meant that this zone was still strong. Are you seeing this? So when the market swept all the internal liquidity, tapped into this zone, and then that zone pushed the market low. Hence, the market first created change of character, retested, imbalance was there, order block was there, tapped into this unmitigated zone, and then the market continued higher high. The market continued higher high while broke the highs. Well, broke the last high, which was this. Why? Because the market has always been or had always been in an uptrend. So that's why the market had to break this high and then create a higher high. So with these teachings, I tell you that we only take the trades from those zones that we have seen that the market has changed the character or has changed the direction or shifted, or the market has shifted from its direction that it was in by looking at these zones when the market retested into this order block, and then the market failed to break the lower low, and then market broke this internal high, and then again the market broke this high. So that one was a good confirmation that now the market is going to continue higher high, since the more power that it had was in an uptrend. So more pressure was in an uptrend. So if you want more deep, not precise explanations, you can still join my classes, and you can still tap on the link down there in the description or in the bio, and then you keep on checking our Telegram channel, getting more signals daily, and then you start enjoying like others are enjoying. All right, let me see you in other videos, guys. Have a good time.